Hello guys, how you doing? This is CG Videos 123. This is Caesar, and I'll be doing a quick review on the mini display port to VGA adapter for MacBook. So as you guys can see, this is the packaging for the mini display port adapter. I just bought it yesterday from I got it at Best Buy. I went to the Apple store, but I think they're renovating, and the store was closed. So I went to Best Buy, and it's actually the same price, $29. So this is the packaging. I think it might say the price down here. No, it doesn't. But this is the adapter to from MacBook to VGA display. In this case, I'll be using this 20-inch Dell monitor, and it's pretty easy to connect. All you have to do is insert this part to your MacBook, the mini display port, and then the other one goes to the VGA adapter here to your monitor, and that's all you have to do. I'm gonna go ahead and start this up so you guys can see it. Turn on the monitor. So as you can see it, right now I have it set up as a mirror monitor. But as soon as you, if you ever do this, as soon as you plug it in, let me show you how it starts. I'm going to System Preferences, Displays, Arrangement, and it's usually like this. As soon as you plug it in for the first time, you get your monitor on your laptop, and then if you go to the right, that's where the other monitor is, on the right side. And you're able to change them from position. You could, let me show you. You can move the second monitor into the left side like this, or to the bottom, or to the top, whatever you want. But in this case, I like to use it as a mirror. It's a mirror display, because I like to do my gaming on a bigger screen. So there it is. We could see same thing on both monitors. So that's about it, guys. Once again, it's a mini display port to VGA adapter for MacBooks, and it's $29. You could get it at the Apple Store or Best Buy. So there it is, guys. It's pretty useful, and you're able to change the resolution on your external monitor if you like as well. It gives you plenty of options. So hope you guys like this video. Rate it, subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye bye.